Did you know your online shopping could be doing more than just emptying your wallet? It sounds counterintuitive, right? But what if you could turn your everyday purchases into automatic investments, earning you money for your future? Stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using a super simple tool, the Acorns Earn Chrome extension. For those who don't know, Acorns is a popular micro-investing app that helps people invest their spare change. Acorns Earn is their program that partners with thousands of brands to give you bonus investments when you shop with them. It's essentially cashback that goes straight into your Acorns Invest account. And the easiest way to make sure you never miss an offer is with their Chrome extension. Let's break down the 3 simple steps to start earning. Step 1. Install and log in. First things first, you need the extension. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for the Acorns Earn extension. Click Add to Chrome, and once it's installed, you'll see the little Acorns icon pop up in your browser's toolbar. Click it, and you'll log in using your existing Acorns account credentials. That's it. You're now armed and ready to earn while you browse. Step 2. Browse and activate. This is where the magic happens. Now, as you browse the internet and visit your favorite online stores, from clothing retailers to tech sites, the Acorns Earn extension will automatically check for available offers. If you land on a participating brand's website, a small notification will pop up from the extension. It will show you the bonus investment available, often a percentage of your purchase. For example, it might say Activate Offer, 5% bonus investment. You must click that alert and activate the offer before you check out. This step is crucial because it ensures your purchase is tracked. Step 3. Check out and watch it grow. Once you've activated the offer, continue with your shopping and complete your purchase as normal. You don't need to do anything else. Behind the scenes, the Acorns Earn partner tracks your purchase, and within a few days, you should receive a confirmation email. The bonus investment will show up as pending in the Earn section of your Acorns account. It typically takes a couple of months for the funds to clear and be invested into your portfolio, but the point is, you've turned a regular expense into a future investment, all without any extra hassle. It's set it and forget it investing built right into your online shopping habits. So, stop leaving money on the table. Install the Acorns Earn extension, turn your shopping into investing, and start growing your oak. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.